boys and girls. Today is Thursday and we are going to learn about giraffes. As you can see, we're going to do a guided drawing in just a little bit of a giraffe. And we're also going to do some fact writing about giraffes. So I'm going to share this story with you, and I want you to think about some of these things that you hear in the story. What a giraffe can do, what they are, what they have, what they eat, and where they live. And once we listen to the story and we figure these facts out, we'll write them inside the giraffe spots for a little giraffe report. So here we go. Giraffes by Laura Marsh. What do you call an animal so tall it reaches the treetops with no help at all? That's a big clue. Do you want to guess who? A giraffe. Big bodies. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest mammals on land? Their legs are as tall as a grown man, and their necks are just as tall as their bodies. That means giraffes can be 14 to 19 feet tall. So this is an actual adult compared to the size of a giraffe. Pretty cool, right? Giraffes have spots. Their spots can be light tan. They can also be brown or black. Each giraffe has a pattern of spots, but no two giraffes have the same pattern. That's how you can tell them apart. So every giraffe in the whole world has a different pattern. It's like their fingerprint. You have your own fingerprint on your finger, and giraffes have their own pattern of spots. Giraffes at home. Giraffes live where it's hot and dry. They live on the plains in Africa. Giraffes stay together in a group. The group is called a herd. A herd usually has 6 to 12 giraffes. Mealtime. For giraffes, it's always mealtime. They eat for 16 to 20 hours every day. That means they eat lots and lots of leaves. Most of the leaves are from acacia trees. A giraffe's body helps it get its food. A long neck helps a giraffe get leaves up high. A long tongue and wide lips grab the leaves. These body parts work together to reach around the thorns. You can see their long tongue there. That's pretty cool. A giraffe's body can also get in the way. Giraffes have to bend way down to get a drink. But the acacia leaves they eat have lots of water in them. So giraffes only need to drink every few days. 6 fun facts about giraffes. Number 1, their tongue is blue and black up front and pink on the back. Number 2, a baby giraffe can run a few hours after it's born. Wow, wish we could do that. Number 3, male giraffes are called bulls and females are called cows. Number 4, a large male giraffe can weigh up to 3,000 pounds. Number 5, if a giraffe eats a thorn, not to worry. Giraffes have thick saliva or spit that will coat any thorns that are eaten. And number 6, a giraffe has 2 horns on its head. Males use them to fight with other males. Big babies. Some big animals have small babies, but not giraffes. They are big animals that have big babies. A baby giraffe weighs 100 to 150 pounds when it's born. It is called a calf. Young giraffes stay with other calves during the day. A mother in the herd babysits. This helps keep the calves safe, and the other adults leave to look for food. On the lookout. Adult giraffes also look out for each other. They watch for predators like lions and crocodiles. If a giraffe sees a predator, it snorts. This warns the others, run! Giraffes can run very fast for a short time. This helps them get away. They can use their hooves to kick a predator too. See, that long leg is kicking that lion out of the way. Nap time. All that watching and eating doesn't leave much time for sleep. Luckily, giraffes need less than 3 hours of sleep every day. They usually nap standing up, but not always. Laying down. What in the world? These are close-up pictures of things in a giraffe's world. So let's see if we can guess. Hint, this one can be to kick it. You think that is? Hoof. 2, a giraffe's home is here. Oh, that's a good one. Do you remember? African plains. 3, giraffes eat lots of these. Acacia plants. 4, these make a pattern. They're spots. 5, a giraffe has one that is long and dark. Their tongue. And last, a giraffe's head has 2 of them. It's either their ears or their horns in the middle. All right, awesome job, boys and girls. Let's see what we can remember from our story and fill in the spots on our chart. Are you ready? Okay, so giraffes can. That could be anything that they can do. It's like a fun fact that you thought was interesting. So I think it was cool that giraffes can travel in herds, in groups. So I'm going to write that one. So can travel in herds. Maybe you liked something else that they can do, and you can try this chart later. Giraffes are, well, they give birth to live babies, and their babies drink milk for a while, so they are mammals. Giraffes eat acacia plants. Do you remember that from the story? You know what's cool about doing facts is you can always go back to the book if you don't remember and find your answer. Giraffes live on the African plains. So I'm going to write African plains. Same place our lions lived, right? That we just learned about. And last, giraffes have something they have. They have spots, right? Spots. And do you remember it was really cool that no 2 giraffes have the same pattern of spots? All right, so let's read what we wrote. Giraffes can travel in herds. They can eat acacia plants. They have spots. They live in the African plains, and they are mammals. So today, we're going to do a guided drawing in our next video, and we already did our facts, but if you want to try this and draw your own spots and write these words on a piece of paper, that would be a great thing to do, and then you could put it with your cool giraffe art project. I'll be back soon. See you, boys and girls.
Bye.